Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, April 30th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, it's the end of the month. I almost want to say mercifully it's the end of the month, but it really wasn't that bad. Overall, the indexes gained about 2% this month. We did better than that. We actually had a good month. We caught some really good individual trades. That stuff in Netflix was just awesome. But we had other good trades too. And so we've outperformed the indexes in April, no question about it. Today was kind of iffy with the Dow Jones Industrial Average opening negative this morning, but as it oftentimes happens, we get a negative open, buyers come in and bid it up, and the Dow Jones actually ended up closing up 21 points. We had a good day, another good day. We closed out nearly $3,400, or we did close out $3,400 in our closed out trades, and we're carrying $5,000 in open trade into tomorrow. We were helped today with the closed out trades with just this great trade in THC, that's Tenet Health Systems. Really had a huge gap up yesterday and did a little building today, not as much as we would have liked, but it was still worth over $5,000 that trade. And then we got into a new trade today in SSYS, that's Stratasys, and that is what's mostly accounting for our strong positive trade equity. Anyway, so it was a good day. Let's take a look at the charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average. We're looking back a few days here. You can see the creepy green caterpillar has an upward slope. However, it's not a runaway slope. Let's put it that way. Yesterday we had a nice move. As you remember, this morning, down it came. And it looked to me like maybe it was going to give back everything from yesterday. But nope, buyers come in here, builds, and we actually end up 20 points. But at no time, even in spite of this negative action with the Dow earlier in the day, we were doing well with our positions. Never had really any problems. You can see here we're holding $5,275 in open trade, and most of this is this good trade down here in SIS. And let's take a look at that. Okay, Stratasys. We just came in here yesterday and bought it like 45 minutes into the day, and it didn't show too much on the close yesterday, but this morning it really showed a lot of strength and up here, and we are, excuse me, and so we got about, I think we have over 5,000 on that. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but good trade in SIS, and we'll show you this one in THC. We bought this on Friday, and not much happened there on Friday, but then we get this huge gap up yesterday, and it made the highs for this move the first 15 minutes. Unfortunately, it came back. I thought I was going to fill the gap. You know, we would have, if that filled the gap, we would have lost all the money. But it came back a little today, and we got out of that with over $5,000 in profit. So we have no complaints about today, in spite of the kind of choppy action in the Dow. So anyway, that's the way it went on Tuesday. This is Trader Bob signing off. We'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.